Imagine standing at the banks of the Ganges, surrounded by millions of souls, all united in a quest for spiritual awakening. This is Kumbh Mela, the world's largest spiritual gathering, steeped in history and myth. Originating from ancient Hindu texts, it commemorates the epic battle for the nectar of immortality, where gods and demons clashed. Over centuries, it has transformed into a vibrant tapestry of rituals, where pilgrims bathe in sacred waters, seeking purification and enlightenment. The sheer scale is mind-boggling. Over 120 million people converge, creating a mesmerizing spectacle of faith and devotion. Each dip in the river is a step towards liberation, a moment charged with spiritual energy. Recognized by UNESCO, Kumbh Mela is not just a religious event, it's a marvel of crowd management, showcasing the brilliance of human organization. As the sun rises, the chants of mantras fill the air, and the atmosphere buzzes with hope and reverence. Kumbh Mela transcends borders, drawing cultural enthusiasts from around the globe, enriching our understanding of spirituality and community. It's a celebration of life, a reminder of our shared humanity, and a testament to the enduring power of faith.